Supta Udarakarshanasana, lower spine twist pose. Lie on your back in Shavasana. Bend your right knee and place the right foot on the left knee or beside the left knee. Hands placed perpendicular on the floor. Place the left palm on the right knee and lower the right knee towards the left side of the floor and look towards the right side. Always remember, you bend on the one side and look to the other side. It's always opposite. Now inhale, bring the knee back, relax your leg and do the same with your left leg. Place your left foot on the right knee or beside the right knee. Now grab your left knee with your right palm and lower the knee towards the right side of the floor and look towards the left side. Hold the position for few breaths. Release and relax the position.